Using CA, I am gluing the completed motor and transmission assembly into the chassis and setting it aside to cure. Placing parts into the passenger compartment are the next steps we are doing in our build. Again, using CA, which is cyanoacrylic adhesive, I am attaching the seats to their supports prior to placing them into the compartment. Set them aside to cure for a few minutes. The next parts to attach is the gear shift and then the armrests. After both armrests are in place, we are now ready to cement the dashboard in place. I am using a rubber band to hold the passenger compartment sides tight to the dashboard. Now we are ready to position and cement the front chairs in place. After cementing the chairs in place, I put this entire assembly aside for final curing. Note that I put tweezers as a brace to keep the seats upright. In the next phase, the front shock absorbers are cemented in place. Be sure you are taking the correct pair, as the front and rear shock absorbers are different shapes and cannot be transposed. Use any convenient method to hold the parts. Now we are ready to cement the front and rear window glass in place, which is one part. Be sure you don't put adhesive any place that will mar the window glass. Set the glass in place and position tightly to the inside. Cement the chromed front mirror to the front window. Note that the mirror seems to want to move easily, so hold in place to allow the adhesive to cure somewhat. The passenger compartment needs to be installed into the body next. Place cement strategically within the body where the compartment will sit and carefully install the compartment and set it aside to cure for a few minutes. Don't get cement on your fingers as you are touching the painted body.